All right, you guys, I'm getting ready to head into my local Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be sharing with you products that I always purchase, hygiene products that I always purchase from the Dollar Tree. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you tune in and stick around and save some money with your girl. All right, you guys, so this is the soap section, and I always get my Dove sensitive bar soaps from Dollar Tree if I'm not in Walmart. The ones that I gravitate towards the most is the Dial, the white bar. This is something that I highly recommend. Or you can get the Dial Gold bar. You can't go wrong. You'll always get squeaky clean with that. As far as these other ones, Pear, Palmolive, not really so much my favorite. The Yardley smell good, but sometimes they irritate me, so I don't really gravitate towards those. Like I said, Dial, Irish Spring, the original scent, those are my not like go-to soap bar soaps. And I do typically occasionally get Zest for my son, but I know for me my skin is really sensitive, so I have to stick with what I like and what is familiar. All right, you guys, so the body washes, I always love to get Lever 2000. That's like one of my top body washes. They have a variety, but I'm just going to show you the ones that I always gravitate towards, especially when it comes to putting things on my body. Now, I always get this White Rain Men body wash for my son, but my favorite as far as my body wash is the Arm & Hammer Essential. It's quite a few there, and when it comes down to body wash, you just have to know what works for you. Not everything is the Dollar Tree is for everybody, but it is a great place to start when your money is kind of tight. You can always get the bare minimals here. Another one good one, you guys, is the Lever 2000. I always get that, and it pairs really well with the body washes. But like I said, they have a variety. Now, when it comes to like hand soaps, they have different ones. Dermasil, I've heard good things about, but they have like Dial, and you know, Dial is a name brand, so Dial would be a good one. They have the Suave Juicy Hand, and of course they have soft soap. Y'all know I always rave about soft soaps, and you get pretty much a lot for $1. Like I said, this coconut and mango one looks really good, but I don't need any hand soaps right now because I just went shopping. But they have a good little amount of selection to choose from. Of course, I don't really use Dollar General hand soaps, because when I saw soft soaps, I always gravitate towards that, or Dial or Suave. So you can't go wrong with your hand soaps here and either. So like I said, they have a lot of selection to choose from. As far as when it comes to moisturizing your hands, trying to find the one that I usually use. This right here, Milk and Go Honey. Y'all know how I feel about Milk and Honey. It's my all-time top favorite. And as far as moisturizing your lotion, Suave is a really good one if you need something to like stick in your purse or keep in the house, keep in your kid's backpack, anything like that. They have bath soaks here. I have not tried the watermelon and sweet mint. I'm very picky about what I put on me because my skin is very, very sensitive to certain things, so I try to stay away from things. But I did try these bath bombs, and they were okay. They wasn't bad at all. So if you're needing an exfoliating mint, this is new. I've never seen the mint, but that looked like that'll be too little for my hand, but that will be a good option. They have a selection here of the dupe Bath and Body Works. If you need like loofahs, I always gravitate towards these, and I usually get the ones with the 2, but I throw them in the washing machine, or if they get too raggedy, I just throw them in the trash. This one is a really good one as well, especially if you're trying to reach your back and stuff. This baby powder is really, really good. I always get baby powder from here. That's a really good option. They do have these Dove body creams. You can put these down in your purse. If you got a daughter, you can put these down in her little purse or what have you. Can't really go wrong, but these are the ones that I always grab. Well, they're the other ones, the little hard ones, but they look like they're out of them. And I always get those to exfoliate with, because lately I can't really use gloves because one of my hands didn't work all that great. So I like to use the exfoliating mint gloves. When it comes to shower, I always get my shower linen curtains from here. Usually I get the white ones, but you can't go wrong with that. They even have these little soap dishes and things, which I think is really cute, especially when you're on a budget. You really can't go wrong with that. These right here, you guys, you know I always rave about these water bottles. You can use these to mix your vinegar and water in them. You can use these to put that Suavitel fabric softener and water in them as well. As hair products, I'll show you the things that if I'm low on funds that I would use. I usually come in and gravitate towards this VO5 strawberry and cream. That's like my favorite go-to. Or you can't go wrong. My other one from Suave is the Juicy Green Apple conditioner and shampoo. Those are my top 2 shampoos and conditioners in here. But like I said, they have the tropical coconut. They have a lot of selection. The daily dandruff. They have more body washes over here. So you just have to take your time and just look. If you need hair supplies, they have it. Comment below, y'all remember these foam rollers. I know I used to have them back in the day. You couldn't tell me nothing. Every night before bed, I would be rolling my hair up. That's a good brush, especially if you natural like me, got thick hair. These are really good as well. From Goody. Goody is a really good brand. Yeah, this was a really nice Dollar Tree. Just opened up in August. They had name brand toiletry, cleaning products, my Arm & Hammer detergent, you guys, Fabuloso. You had all kinds of stuff that the normal Dollar Trees don't have. They got baking utensils in here. They had like a $3 to $5 section in here. And I'm looking like, wait a minute. Like, for real? Are you serious? I couldn't believe my eyes, y'all. They had Lysol, name brand, Lysol extra. Look at my Arm & Hammer. Look at my Arm & Hammer and my Suavitel. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all better get to y'all Dollar Tree. I mean, this just really made my day, you guys. I mean, Dollar Tree is stepping up. So they have a $3 aisle and a $5 aisle now in Dollar Tree. So y'all better go check y'all Dollar Tree out and see what goodies they have up in there. Because when I saw this just made my day. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, it seemed like they got more stuff in for some reason. Like, stuff I'd never even seen before. I mean, can y'all get into this? Like, for real, for real? I mean, they had a whole craft section. I mean, they was trying to take all my money today. They was just trying to take all my money, but I got what I needed. But I wanted you guys to see the stuff that I usually get in your local Dollar Tree, because sometimes it's cheaper than in Walmart. And y'all know I love journals. I had to pick me up one, y'all. Y'all know my favorite is journaling. Y'all better start journaling y'all thoughts down. Get your mind right. And my daughter needs something for her 50 million pair of shoes. So I picked her up a shoe organizer to go in her closet to start off with. $5. So I picked it up. I'm going to see how good it is. But you can't beat that, you guys. I was just shocked. They had like little organizer, and these were really heavy too. It wasn't the cheap looking ones that they usually always have. They had like a lot of doormats and all that good stuff. I mean, this Dollar Tree was so clean and organized. Now these right here, you guys, these are what I be telling y'all to put. Now this one stinks, but these are the kind of things I be telling y'all to put in your drawers to make your clothes smell good. I got that one right there in my hand. It smelled really good, but you just have to smell them and see which one smells good for you. But stick them down in your closet, in your drawers. Stick them down in between your clothes, and I promise you your clothes will stay fresh. Stick them in between your towels too. And then I went back to the normal section. I mean, you guys, they had all kinds of Downy. Downy is a name brand. A really good one. I mean, they're small, but they're $1. And then they have the Gain Original. Y'all know how I feel about Gain Original scent. Smells super amazing. And then one of you subscribers told me about, look at all my Suavitel. Don't they look just pretty up there? Look how beautiful that look. I mean, get into that. Just very colorful. But one of my subscribers told me about Dollar Tree got some scent boosters. Now, so I was like, let me check and see if they got some really good ones in here. So I found it. I can't wait to try it out. Yep, it looks just like this. I say, you go, Dollar Tree. Y'all better get into it. This just made my day, you guys. This was just amazing coming in here. And I went first thing in the morning, you guys. Wasn't hardly anybody in there. And look at all these cleaning supplies, you guys. It just makes you just get in the cleaning mood. And this right here, the cleaning vinegar, it's really good for your toilets, you guys. Cleaning vinegar. I didn't even know it was such a thing until last year. But yeah, it works wonders in your toilet. But yeah, that oven cleaner, stay away from that. That stuff is too strong. Had my head hurting. But yeah, like I always pick up detergents out of here. Palmolive is a good brand, and Dawn. Those are like my top 2 brands that I get out of here. And I love the citrus one. But these are the ones I get. I get either of these flavors. It just all depends on what mood I'm in. And yeah, and then the next section, you know I had to come to the baby section. You can always find fragrance-free baby wipes in the baby aisle in the Dollar Tree. And my all-time favorite, I use my Vaseline with my oils, just like always, you guys. Y'all know I'm a creature of habit. But yeah, you can find all kinds of goodies here in the baby section. And as far as tampon and pads go, I've learned I don't really use pads. I get those little Carefree for my daughter, but those pads are too thin for me. I'm more on I need super, and Dollar Tree doesn't really have that. But this brand right here are some good wipes. The Modest, I always get the non-scented ones. But I get my powder here. And as far as deodorant, it's only 2 brands. The Old Spice Pure Sports, I get that for my son. And then the Arm & Hammer. Y'all know I stand. If y'all see Arm & Hammer, tell them to sponsor your girl. Because I swear, this video is not sponsored. But I just know what I love. And I saw the Suave. But, you know, Suave and me, we don't do really good together. So I passed on all that. You can get good shaving gels, shaving creams out of here, razors. I mean, you can't go wrong. You just got to know how to look for things. And as far as lotion, they got a variety. I always keep this in my purse, the Jergens healing lotion for my hands. They have the Palmolive oil lotion. Don't really use that one, but that Jergens. And then this sunscreen is really good. I've been using this since my kids were babies. Really good brand. So yeah, lotions, if you need to stick in your purse or something like that. I get my son's foot powder out of here, Arm & Hammer as well. I needed some more Q-tips, so I picked up a thing of those. Haven't really used any of their face mask or anything like that, but they do have Dermacell. They have quite a few name brands, and I like this Vaseline lip balm. I do like that out of the Dollar Tree. A lot of goodie here. And then for as mouthwash and things, you guys, you know my favorite. I get the blue one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Make sure you understand that you can get your money's worth in the Dollar Tree. I get all my toothbrushes here for $4 and everything. So God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.